Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need perler beads and pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a couple feet of string. And we're going to start with putting on 2 white, 2 black, and 2 white of the perler beads. And then we're just going to take a random pony bead and tie on the end so we don't lose this end. And then on the other side, you'll put your needle on. Okay, we're going to get a black perler bead and we're going to go through the second white bead. We're going to get a white perler bead and go through the second black bead. We're going to get a black perler and go through the second white perler bead. Then we're going to pull these strings to get that tight. Flip it around. We're going to add a black perler bead and a white one. Then we're going to add a black. Flip this over. We're going to add a white, black, and we're going to add a white and go through this black. Okay, this should be tight enough so you can take that off. Flip this over. We're going to add a white perler bead, black, and a white. Okay, we're going to flip this over, and now we're going to add our perler beads. So we're going to add one and go through the white, another one, go through the black, we're going to add another perler bead, okay, we're going to flip this over. We're going to add a row of pony beads. Okay, flip this over. A row of pony beads. Flip this over. We're going to add another row of pony beads. And another one. Okay, flip this over. This will be our last row. And then we're going to go back to the perler beads. Okay, so if you notice, we're doing 3 rows of each. So to start this next row, we're going to start with black, white, and then black. Flip this over. We're going to add black, and white. And then we're going to add a black. We're going to add white and black. And white. Okay, now that we have our pattern started, I'm going to go ahead and finish these 3 rows, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I finished this part, so now we need to go back to the pony beads. It might be easier when you're adding these to do one at a time. Until you get this first row on. Okay, flip it over. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this until I have 3 rows, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I have my 3 rows on. Now we're going to go back to the perler beads. We're going to add white, black, and white. Flip this over. We're going to add white, black, and black. Whoops, white. Flip it over. We're going to add black, white, and black. Okay, now that we got this pattern started, I'm going to go ahead and do my 3 rows, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I have all 3 of my rows on. Now we're going to go back to pony beads. Okay, we're going to continue to do our 3 rows, and then I'll be back. Okay, I finished my 3 rows. Now we're going to go back to the perler beads. We're going to add a black, white, and black. We're going to add black, and then white. Then we're going to add black, flip it over. We're going to add white and then black. And then we'll add white. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish these 3 rows and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished my last 3 rows. I'm going to go ahead and start back on the pony beads and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, we're going to add a white, black, and then white. We're going to add white, black, and white. We're going to add black, white, and then black. I'm going to go ahead and finish these rows and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I went ahead and finished this section here, the 3 rows, and then I added these on. This is going to be our last set of purlers. We're going to start with black, white, and then black. You're going to add black, white, black, you're going to add white, black, and then white. Okay, we're going to go ahead and finish this section and then add one more set of the pony beads and then I'll show you how to put it together. Okay guys, I finished my last set. To connect these, we're going to go back and forth. So come over here to this white bead, the blue, black, blue, white, and then blue. Okay, you're going to pull both strings tight and then tie it. Cut this off. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.